Today we are learning about AWS autoscaling and load balancing. These are the things which we are learning in week 8 and 9, which will give progress in the AWS Developer Certification. This load balancer and autoscaling was used to ensure the application scale efficiently and stay responsive. In cloud architecture, high availability means the application is always accessible without any failures or traffic spikes. AWS services that helps achieve high availability. Autoscaling automatically adjusts the number of EC2 instances to match demand. The elastic load balancer distributes incoming traffic across multiple instances. What is autoscaling? Autoscaling is a built-in AWS services that monitors your application and adjusts capacity automatically. It helps to maintain performance in high traffic, which is cost effective and ideal times. What are the benefits? No need to do things manually to add or else remove the servers, and prevents over provisioning, means whatever the data you used, you need to pay for that amount itself. Uh, the auto scaling where you can find in AWS console was go to EC2 dashboard, and then you can click on auto scaling groups. Then you can define a template whichever size you want. You can do that. Auto scaling components. Launch template, EC2 instances required to tell how to launch new instances. Auto scaling group, a logical group of EC2 instances managed together. You define maximum, minimum, and desired instance count. Availability zones. Associated load balancer. In scaling policies, you can control how to scale. These are having types. Target tracking, which is like maintain a metric like CPU at 50%. Step scaling, scale based on metric thresholds. Scheduled scaling, scale at specific times. What is elastic load balancer? Elastic load balancer automatically distributes incoming application traffic across multiple targets, ensures no single server is overloaded. It will distribute the servers not to overload at one server. The types of load balancers are application load balancer, network load balancer, gateway load balancer. In application load balancer, it is best to use for web applications. Network load balancer is used for high performance of TCP traffic, and the gateway load balancer is used for third party applications like firewalls. The benefits of elastic load balancer was high availability, low fault tolerance, seamless scaling with auto scaling. How we can check the elastic load balancer in AWS console? Need to go EC2 and then load balancer. In the create load balancer, you can check the elastic load balancer. The hands-on thing which I was done was I launched a template using Linux to AMI. We need to take instant type was T3 micro, which is free, and we need to take minimum 2 and max in between this we can take instances. The load balancer is port 80 HTTP, target group for EC2 instance. In this type of hands-off example I have worked on. Thank you.